Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Canara Bank application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to download the Canara mobile banking application right on your Android device and start managing your account whenever you want or wherever you are, then first, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are connected, tap Open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and search for Canara Bank and make a search. You'll be able to see the mobile banking application displayed right in the search result for Canara Bank. Tap the Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process right away. The application might take a while to be downloaded depending upon your internet speed. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Once you've downloaded the application, you should see an Open button popping up right next to it or beneath the application. Tap it on in order to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Canara mobile banking application right on your Android device, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.